Hello everyone. Welcome to Arnis vlog. Arnis vlog for kids. Today we will learn about the water animals. Seahorses. Seahorses are tiny fish that are named for the shape of their head, which looks like the head of a tiny horse. Crabs. Crabs are animals without a backbone. Their exoskeleton protects them from predators and provides support for their bodies. Turtles. Turtles are known for moving very slowly. Turtles are found in most parts of the world. Most live in freshwater ponds, lakes, or rivers. Octopuses. Octopuses are sea animals famous for their rounded bodies, bulging eyes, and 8 long arms. Alligators. Alligators are large reptiles with short legs, long tails, tough skin, sharp teeth and wide snouts. They are cold-blooded animals and excellent swimmers. Fish. A fish is an aquatic creature that lives in the water for its whole life. Fish have fins that help them swim in the water and found in rivers, ponds and in oceans. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, bones or eyes. Jellyfish swim by opening and closing their bodies like an umbrella. Dolphins. Dolphins are some of the most playful and intelligent animals on our planet. Even though dolphins spend their lives in the water, they are not fish, but are mammals. Whales. Whales are the largest animals that have ever lived on Earth and are the largest animals that live in the ocean. Starfish. Starfish, also known as sea stars, are one of the most beautiful looking animals in the vast ocean. Have no backbone. Shark. The shark is the largest fish in the sea. Sharks have big jaws which contains lots of sharp pointed teeth. Seals are mammals that live mostly in cold seas. Instead of legs, seals have two pairs of flippers. Flippers help seals to swim. Thanks for watching Arnis vlog. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.